Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. This video continues by showing fun ways to customize your watermelon shake, including tangy, creamy and superfood options to boost flavor and nutrition. When the sun beats down with relentless intensity, summer can feel like a marathon across a sizzling parking lot. Staying cool becomes more than a comfort. It becomes a necessity. We need a solution that's fast, deeply satisfying, and genuinely hydrating. Forget sugary sodas or lukewarm water. The answer lies in the watermelon shake. It is the ultimate antidote to summer heat, blending the natural sweetness of ripe melon with an icy crush. This shake isn't just a trendy drink. It's a simple, low-cost way to replenish your body and delight your taste buds. We'll show you exactly why this shake deserves a permanent spot in your summer rotation, covering its incredible benefits, the easy 3-step recipe, and fun ways to customize your next glass. Why the watermelon shake is your must-have summer drink. A thirst quencher needs to do more than trick your mouth into feeling cool. It needs to support your body through high temperatures and high activity. Many popular summer beverages are loaded with refined sugars, which can actually dehydrate you further. The watermelon shake offers a compelling alternative. It naturally provides what your body craves when it gets hot: simple sugars, essential electrolytes, and massive amounts of water. Beat the heat. Why watermelon is nature's hydration hero. Watermelon lives up to its name perfectly. This fruit is composed of over 90% water, making it a stellar choice for rehydration after a run or just a long afternoon in the sun. Drinking enough water can be challenging, but blending up a sweet, cold watermelon shake makes it effortless and enjoyable. Because watermelon is essentially flavored water, it offers exceptional cooling relief very quickly. The fruit's structure also means that the water content is absorbed slowly and steadily by your body. This slower absorption rate helps your system maintain fluid balance better than simply chugging a glass of plain water. When you need fast relief from feeling overheated, a handful of frozen watermelon cubes blended into a shake does the trick immediately. Sweet, simple, and healthy, nutrients you will sip. Beyond its fantastic hydration properties, watermelon delivers a surprisingly robust nutritional punch. You get to enjoy something sweet without the guilt often associated with other frozen desserts. The fruit's sweetness comes from natural sugars, balanced by good levels of beneficial vitamins. Key nutrients in every sip include vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps support your immune function and protects your cells. Vitamin A, important for good vision and skin health, especially when you are spending more time outside. Lycopene, one of the best sources of lycopene, the plant compound that gives the fruit its red color. Lycopene is associated with heart health benefits. Because you are using the whole fruit, you get all the fiber, vitamins and minerals without any weird additives or unknown ingredients. This simplicity is a major advantage. Your shake is naturally sweet and low in added sugars or unwanted fats unless you decide to add them later for flavor. The easiest recipe for a refreshing watermelon shake. Making a truly satisfying, thick and icy watermelon shake should not require a culinary science degree. The beauty of this recipe is its minimal ingredient list and quick prep time. The primary key to success, however, rests on one critical step: using frozen watermelon. Fresh melon results in a watery, thinner juice. Frozen melon yields a thick, shake-like consistency without requiring massive amounts of ice. Gathering your essential watermelon shake ingredients. To make an amazing shake, you only need 3 basic items. You don't need dairy products or high-calorie syrups to achieve great flavor. Chopped, cubed watermelon, pre-cut and frozen completely, about 2 cups per serving. Freezing takes at least 4 hours, so plan ahead. Ice cubes, optional but suggested, can help break down the frozen fruit and ensure the shake is extra cold. A small splash of liquid, about a 1/4 cup of water, coconut water, or freshly squeezed lime juice. This liquid is essential to help the blender blades move, This video showed advanced variations and health enhancements for your watermelon shake. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.